Okay, we are ready. Session resumed. Senator Trillanes has the floor.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. So, Attorney Mendoza.
Yes, Your Honor. Our city budget officer is here. She would like to take the oath.
Attorney Kimbo will administer the oath to the city budget officer. Please let her state her name, complete name.
Thanks. Kindly raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in this proceeding? Thank you. You may take your seat.
May we have your name, ma'am, for the record, and your official designation in the city of Makati?
Ako po si Lorenza Amores, head po ng Budget Department ng Makati City.
The source person is Ms. Amores. Senator Trillanes.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. So, Ms. Amores, what do you know about this 350 million
Ano po,
budget?
Sir,
Sige.
Senator Trillanes, ito po yung inilaan ko para sa paglipat ng urban development po dun sa bagong building, sa building 2.
Okay. How much was actually disbursed?
Ay, wala pa po, sir.
Wala pa.
Wala.
Budget pa lang ito.
Budget lang po,
Nakalocate.
sir.
Alam niyo po, meron tayong problema dito. Wala ba kayo nakikitang problema dito?
Ang nakikita ko lang po, Your Honor, yung hindi pa lang siya ho na-i-implement.
Hindi. Hindi lang yon. Yung halaga. Alam niyo ho, ito yung kini-question ko na nandito sa inyong ordinansa, yung allocation. Nag-allocate po ang Makati City Government ng 350 million pesos para lang lumipat yung isang departamento dun sa bagong building. Na magkadikit lang ho ito, di ba? Magkadikit lang yung lilipatan. So, yan na po yata ang pinakamahal na paglipat ng isang opisina sa buong mundo. 350 million po. Hindi na nga ho sila magpapamasahe dyan eh. Wala kayong nakikitang problema doon?
Nung ini-request ho yung amount, nung iprinapose ho yung amount na to,
Para saan ito? You have to explain to the public kasi 350 million, ganun-ganun na lang kayo magwaldas ng pera. Paglilipat lang ha. Lipat bahay lang ito, halos. Magkadikit na building, gagastos kayo ng 350 million.
Your Honor, ito po yung, actually po, request po ito ng Urban Development Department para dun po sa nakaabang na data center, paglipat po nila. At yung pong detalye nito, mas ma-explain, Your Honor, with your permission. Ho?
Nino?
Mas ma-explain ho ng Urban Development Department. Medyo technical po
Sige,
kasi siya.
please. Mag-vote sila.
Another oath? Another oath, okay.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in this proceeding? Thank you. You may take your
May
seat.
we have your name, ma'am, and the official designation. Sit, you can sit now. Press the button.
Good morning to all of you. I am Engineer Marlina Panganiban, the current Urban Development Officer.
Dr. Llanes.
Thank you. Engineer, etong 350 million pesos, pakipaliwanag po kung paano gagastusin ng inyong departamento.
Yes, Your Honor. Although wala po ako ng details ngayon, but I can say in general terms that yung 350 million was allotted for the transfer of our whole office, which the Urban Development Department is consists of divisions such as the Management Information System, the Urban Planning Division, the Monitoring and Evaluation Division, Geographic Information System Division, and the Support Services Division. And majority of the allotted or the allotment was for the transfer of the data center. As of now, the data center is located at the old building, the original building. So nandun po siya sa 4th floor. So yun po, yun ang majority of the expenses is intended for the transfer of the data center, which you know naman po kung kaano yung pagta-transfer ng data center.
Alam po namin at
Opo.
hindi po ganyang kamahal. Ano? So kaya nga ho, ganito, no? This is why I keep on insisting that the cost for this project is 2.7 billion. Kasi dito, no, to include the furnitures in the building management system, 3.67 billion plus itong 350 million na paglipat. Paglipat lang ito eh. Totals more than 2.7 billion pesos. So, ganyan you are justifying na kailangan magwaldas ng Makati ng 350 million pesos sa paglipat ng departamento nyo from the old building dito sa new building. Ngayon, bakit ba kayo kailangan lumipat kung ganyan din lang kalaki ang gagasusin?
Your Honor, medyo luma na yung building and na-decide na gibain na po yung building.
Yung 22 story?
The old building po.
The old building.
Yung
Okay.
nandun po sa harapan ng JP Rizal.
Okay. Tapos,
And at the same time ho, kung yung data center kasi, all the transactions, yung computerized system ng Makati po, dun po nanggagaling lahat. Doon nag-ooperate sa data center ngayon. So kung ililipat mo itong data center na to sa another building, hindi naman ganun na basta mo na lang po buhatin po ito na ilalagay dito eh. Kasi lahat po ng connections nandito po. So ang idea ho, dapat paandarin mo muna ito bago mo patayin itong old data center. Ganun po yun. Hindi ho basta-basta naman na typewriter.
naintindihan ko po kayo. Naintindihan ko po kayo. Pero ang sinasabi natin, 350 million pesos po ang hinihingi ninyo.
Opo.
At ang binigay sa inyo. Na hindi mo to makikita pagkalipat niyan, wala kang makikitang bagong itinayo, wala. Magic ito.
Meron po, sir. Kasi you need to buy new equipment to mailalagay mo sa data center.
Then dapat bagong acquisition of new equipment.
Hindi ko
Transfer kasi ito. Hindi ho. Alam nyo, nakikita natin itong mga ganitong mga anomalya, no? Saan ka makakita? 350 million pesos. Paglipat lang
siguro
ng sa bagong opisina.
Your Honor, is just siguro general term use, but wala po yung detalye. Kasi may detalye naman po. Kasi kung technical po yung pag-uusapan, yun nga po yung ini-explain ko sa inyo kanina po, na yung data center, hindi naman kagaya nga po ng ibang equipment, na basta mo na lang pong ililipat doon. Kasi as much as possible
Hindi.
po.
Wala ko akong sinasabi na gano'n. Sinasabi natin na gagastos ka.
Yes po.
Pero ang sinasabi po natin, hindi ka gagastos ng 350 million pesos. At kung ganun man ang gagastusin mo, talagang bakit yan na lang ba ang only way? Is that the only way na kung marami kayong pera, gaganon ninyo? Kung nagbigay ka ng tago 100,000 sa mga may hirap dyan sa Makati, ilang tao mabibigyan mo dyan sa 350 million mo na yan? Hindi mo ba malaki-laki?
Hindi naman po equal.
Hindi. Kaso ang ginagawa natin,
sir,
bibigyan nyo na lang ng barya, aambunan, tapos behind their backs, ganito. Yun nga ang sinabi ni Engineer Hechanova. Hindi, ako lang ho, I'm expressing my
yes po.
my feelings about this kasi nagulat po ako dito eh.
Actually, Senator Trillanes, nakita ko rin yan eh. When we were studying your ordinances, yan po nakasulat, transfer. So talagang you would be shocked by the amount. Transfer, that's the word you use eh. Pero sabi mo may detalye. Kaya ang tanong ko nga, saan ba nakikita yan detalye? And how come your ordinances look that way na walang makikita when you examine the ordinances? Where are the details?
I'm sorry, Honor, pero kung nagre-request po kami, na-attach namin yung detalye.
Okay, so iba-ibang mga expense categories yan. May mga bayad sa nagta-transfer, may bayad sa purchase, new
Yes, sir.
hardware,
Yes,
may
po.
bayad sa cabling, wiring, iba-iba.
Yes po, sir.
Siguro the COA can take a look at this, no?
Mr. Chair.
Yeah, I will not ask the COA at this moment, but just an expression of opinion. Senator Cayetano.
Mr. Chair, just on this point, no? Ma'am, paki-clarify mo ulit, ano ililipat nyo?
Data center po.
Ng-
Actually, the whole Office of Urban Development Department. Na
Okay.
in-explain ko po kanina na mayroong iba't ibang
Kasi
division.
ma'am, may konti kaming experience dyan. No? Kasi ako, sobra akong naaliw na all over the world, hindi na yung national government, city governments na. If you go to London and all the Seattle, etc., no? Hindi na national government yung problema sa MRT. Hindi na problema yon dahil hindi national, local. No? So, yung data center at saka yung command center at saka yung lahat ng licensing ng City of Taguig, ililipat at iduduplicate. No? Ibig sabihin, meron pa rin. Ililipat sa SM Ora, may 2 floor doon na pagmamayari ng Taguig. Maliit po ang gastos. Computer lang po. Kasi po, di ba, pag sinabi yung data center, unang-una, kailangan mo lahat ng koneksyon nandun, di ba?
Yes.
Lahat ng mga fiber optics, etc. Pero dapat yun kasama na sa building. Eh.
Ay,
Hindi dapat kayo nagbabayad nun. Kaya nga mahal yung building nyo. There are no offices where, if you move, you ask first. So if I'm going to move my Senate office now to Zwilig building, I will ask them. Di ba? Do you have fiber optics? Do you... specifications. Okay. Number 2, ma'am.
yes.
Cloud ba ginagamit nyo? Hindi.
Hindi po.
Akala ko ba world-class sa Makati?
Hindi naman ho, ibig sabihin pag cloud world class.
Hindi ho, ma'am.
I'm sorry po, sir,
No, ma'am,
pero...
kahit sinong
Oo.
IT expert ang kausapin nyo, ang best storage na ngayon is sa cloud and over time, mas mura siya. But okay, sabihin nyo pa, ma'am, hindi. So, saan nyo sinastore? Hard
Meron
disk?
ho kaming, hindi po,
Ano
meron
po?
ho kaming mga servers.
Servers. Okay.
Mga
Ma'am,
blade servers po.
mura na po ang server ngayon.
Depende po sa, we are using IV po, XIV.
Okay, how much ang isang server na gano'n?
Hindi ko ho masabi.
Wala
ho
pang
ako.
10 million yun, ma'am.
Depende ho sa spec, sir. I'm sorry. Pero, kasi pag...
Ma'am, for one city, kasi sinasabi ko sa yung server na ginagamit namin, lahat na yun, ha? Business permit, assessors, sa urban planning, etc. Hindi naman buong Pilipinas ang inyong server. Di ba? World class na. I mean, yun yung sinasabi ni Senator Trillanes. Is it the policy in Makati just because you have a lot of money, you'll get the most expensive?
Hindi naman po.
Oh, di ba what you will do is you'll get value for your peso.
Sa
Di ba? Kung ano ang pinakamaganda at the right
It's,
price. So why would you buy something that is outrageously expensive if something that is as good nandyan na yan?
actually, for this case po, wala pa ho kaming binibili.
Yung nga ma'am, pero you
Pero
allotted
may
350
allotted.
million eh. So I'm just telling you, I don't know how much kasi I don't
Yeah.
look at the cost ganyan, but tingin ko walang 20, kasi ang bibilin lang, una, converted to cloud computing, no? So nandun na lahat ng information. Secondly, you just have to have the internet connection, and then ordinary computers. So, ma'am, 350 million for any other city in this country. The building of na dinonate sa Lasal, no? Yung building na napakaganda na laki, 200 million yun. Yung IT doon, more than 100 million, punong-puno na yon. So your budget for your one department na lilipat is a budget already for a 10-story building or 8-story building in other places na kumpleto na. That's why we're a little bit aghast, no? Isa pang question, ma'am, and is the budget officer here? Yeah, ma'am, how much is your yearly allotment for IT? IT, everything related. Kasama ang capital outlay at kasama din ang hindi ba more than 150 million? More or less?
Opo, totoo po. More or less po.
Okay. Yung dati naming mayor, 16 million a month because they did not buy anything. It was parang lease and everything, no? And some of the suppliers admitted a lot to us. So when we said we will buy, the first year lang mahal. the next year, mura na. So mga half the price. You're spending 150 million a year on IT, then one office will just move to the other, gagastos ka ng another 350. Wala kayong nakikitang suspicious doon. Mura na ma'am IT ngayon ha.
Depende
Ang isang computer 5 years ago, 5 na mabibili mo ngayon ma'am.
Sir, depende po. Depende sa
Depende kung
functionality ng computer.
Eto ma'am, may cellphones ba na binibigay sa Makati sa mga department head?
Meron po.
O, Vertu ba ang binibili nyo?
Hindi po.
O, yung Vertu kasi 150,000, 350,000, 700,000 isa eh. Bakit? Di ba because Samsung, Apple, and Nokia is not just as good. It might even be better than Vertu. But you're telling me, pagdating sa building, pagdating sa IT, Vertu ang binibili nyo. So, ibig sabihin, kahit na maganda na ang Longchamp, maganda na ang Coach, ang gusto ng Makati parati, Louis Vuitton or Hermes.
In our case, sir, with you, in due respect,
Yes,
hindi
yes,
naman
yes,
po
ma'am.
yun sa IT, kasi ako, medyo may konti naman po akong alam sa IT.
Yes.
And we have identified usually the functionalities that would want to be operated in the city based on the functions ng mga iba't ibang departments na gumagamit po ng computer.
Ma'am,
So,
ang
depende po
NBI,
yun.
ma'am, 20 million sa isang program, pinapila pa nila mahaba ang tao dahil it's expensive, they can develop it at their own. 20 million for the whole Philippines sa NBI. Kayo 350 million, then you'll tell me, kumbaga sa bag, hindi Hermes yon. I mean, ang problema, ma'am, I also consult a lot of,
Yes, sir.
I'm very close to yung call center association, voice, etc. No? And they tell me how to make a city
Smarter.
ready,
Yes.
no, not smart,
Smarter,
etc.
more smart
No?
city. Okay.
And it's unheard of to spend 150 million a year on some items na paulit-ulit and then this. But let's not argue, ma'am, so that we can give you a chance. Can you make a presentation?
Yes.
Okay. Number 2, ma'am, can you submit to us the budget of Makati from 2007 to today and underline yung IT? I'm talking to the budget officer and the administrator. Diba? Para lang hindi mapahaba,
Opo.
ma'am.
Kasi
Okay?
nga po yung, siguro lang po,
Yes,
yung
we'll give you all the
sinasabi
chance
niyo
to
yung
answer.
cloud, actually, personally, we have already studied the cloud and may reservations kami in terms of security po. So yun yung
Kasi
mga
pagka
ganun
may
po.
mga bombang picture, mga hubad ng artista nakukuha sa cloud.
Possible, no?
Oh.
And we have to,
Hindi, ma'am, since the cloud came out, totoo yun.
Yes.
But ito, tanong ko sa inyo, nag-electronically transmit ba kayo?
email
Do you
po.
use emails?
Yes,
Okay.
emails.
Emails is easier to hack into than the cloud. You talk to anyone in the PNP and the NBI in their IT group, they can hack the emails. So if you tell me that security, it's not the security. And then your servers, no? Isn't it true that it's so easy to go in and to get data from it?
Okay. Kaya nga po may physical barriers ka naman po. May mga security ka po inalalagay na na-identify mo lang
Okay.
po kung sino lang
And
yung
then
pwede
let me ask you this, ma'am. What's so secret about the data of the housing of Makati? Isn't that public records and anyone can request it anyway?
Hindi naman po.
May secret ba kayo
Wala
doon?
naman
May-
pong secret. It's just, it houses
so
all the data.
Why
in
are you
Makati.
talking about security kung hindi naman secret yon? The only danger in the cloud computing in terms of security is the privacy of the data. There is no danger that it will be hacked and it will be replaced.
That remains to be seen.
Well, in the last, how long has there been cloud computing, ma'am? 3, 4, 5
Three,
years?
4 years.
Okay. Have you any in international news? Even the NSA, CIA, even the KGB or the pumalit sa KGB ngayon. Even ngayon, di ba, may skandalo ang Germany at US because they were spying on
Each other.
nahuli, no? Have you ever heard any other issue ng cloud except privacy? May nakita ka na pinalitan nila yung data or whatever? Wala, di ba?
That I cannot answer.
No, we can Google it now. Walang lalabas. Kasi lahat ng nagbebenta ng cloud computing will tell you that. If your problem is privacy, di ba, then maybe you have a point. Di ba? But if your problem is not privacy, so in this case, the data is about housing. In fact, you should be publishing that on your website.
Meron naman po kami nag-publish.
O yun naman pala. Di anong problema?
Kasi may
You're
mga
telling me, ma'am,
individual
you
ho
don't
na-
want the much cheaper cloud. in the long term because of security. Then you'll tell me na you're publishing it naman and everything. So,
Pero hindi pa rin ba na-prove natin na mas mura yung cloud as against the physical servers po eh?
in the long,
Wala pa rin
I can
yung-
give you on computation, especially because you're spending 150 million a year on IT.
It's more on maintenance and acquisition of new computer workstations, sir.
You have to buy 150 million worth every year and then another 350. How many workstations do you need?
Every year po nagpapalit kasi yung mga revenue generating departments.
So every year, so palpak ang computer na
Hindi
binibili
naman
nyo.
po, kasi marami po tayong offices, then we have to allot computer workstations. to
Ma'am,
these
Ma'am,
offices.
magkano ngayon ang isang computer na maganda na? 50 mil ang ganda na, di ba?
Depende po sa specs.
Oh, yeah, depende sa specs. Ano mo na, ma'am, ha?
Opo,
Yung,
ganun lang po
ano
yan
ha?
kasi hindi
Yung
mo
kapatid ko, ang business niya, ano eh,
hindi
sa
niyo
ano sa
pwedeng-
gay
hindi po natin
sa mga hindi ma'am, pinakamataas na spec sa mga gamers eh ngayon, di ba? O sabi mo ng 100,000 napakamahal na 'yon, di ba? So ang 10 computers sa 100,000 1 million. So sa 10 million 100 computers.
And that's only the computer itself. But if you're using licenses,
Kasama
it's
na po 'yon
another
sa
term.
100,000. You go to total Makati naman po kayo, no? Go to my favorite either sa Glorieta or sa Glorieta, no? Siguro mga 35-40,000 yung mga ano nila laptops, and these are the best brands, HP, Lenovo, etc. ganyan, no? Kasama na yung license. Kung hindi kasama license, laptop 15,000. Desktop, pinakamahal na double. All the licenses, ma'am. And by the way, if you're more than 100, you can buy the group license, which is also much cheaper. And that's what I was telling you about. Kaya nahuli namin yung dating mayor because he was paying a big monthly fee when he could have bought the license and it's a one-time payment. So don't tell us about this because we come here prepared, ma'am, and we research it. There is no way that one department can spend 350 million for IT in one city, even if you talk of the whole Metro Manila, ma'am.
Depende po, sir. Kasi yun
Depende
nga
kung
sinasabi ko,
overpriced o hindi.
po. Kasi data center. Yung data
Sige,
center
anyway,
po,
Mr.
laki
Chair, I
po.
think I made
Opo.
my point and we'll give you time to...
Engineer Panganiban
present.
will submit the details
Opo.
which we cannot see from the ordinance.
Yes.
Okay.
Details.
How soon, ma'am?
Siguro by next
By
week.
Monday?
Opo.
Okay. Thank you, Engineer Panganiban. Thank you very much.